Hello and welcome to Sunflame. Thank you for making Sunflame the clear choice. Sunflame has been a leader for decades with its high quality products and has a place of pride in your kitchen. Sunflame understands your needs and evolves in providing you with the products which are not only made with new technology but are also user-friendly. Today, we will show the demonstration of your product, after which you shall be able to use it more efficiently. Well, who could deny a craving for a great coffee? Perhaps nobody. However, it may not always be possible for one to go to a cafe every time. But what if a cafe is at your disposal? Intrigued? Sunflame's espresso coffee maker can convert your kitchen into your favorite cafe any time of the day. This coffee maker is one of its kind where you could make your favorite coffee with ease. Its unique features and sleek structure gives the machine a competitive edge in today's market. The steel finish design gives a beautiful and modern look to your kitchen. It is well equipped to make pressurized steam for your coffee to look elegant and taste yum. The removable drip tray and the detachable steam nozzle can easily be dismantled for cleaning after its usage. The filter in the coffee maker is also detachable. And can be cleaned easily once the coffee is made. The coffee maker enables you to make a thick froth for your coffee, which you could only experience in a good cafe. To demonstrate its first function, we will make espresso coffee. To make a good espresso coffee, we must bear in mind that all the attachments must be fitted in properly for the appliance to work. Now, we are going to open the tank cover and pour water. We must ensure that the water is filled only up to the given water mark indicator on the carafe. Now, we are going to open the tank cover and pour water and close the tank properly. We will place the steel filter in the funnel and put the coffee powder with the measuring spoon. One spoon of coffee powder makes 1 cup of good coffee. This filter can hold coffee powder to make up to 4 cups of coffee. While fitting the funnel, we must ensure that its 3 locks must fit in the grooves of the coffee maker and then rotate it anti-clockwise to lock it firmly. Now we will place the carafe on top of the drip tray, like this, and plug in the power cord. We will now turn the function knob to cup position. This is the function knob. In doing so, the indicator light will glow. We will wait for a couple of minutes for it to process, and your hot coffee is ready in a jiffy. Now we have to just add sugar and milk according to our taste. Since we have demonstrated the making of espresso coffee, now we will demonstrate its second function, which is to make cappuccino. Cappuccino is like espresso coffee, but with added froth made from steamed milk. To make cappuccino, we will first make espresso coffee as shown earlier. Now we will take a mug and pour cold milk in it accordingly. We must ensure that the milk is cold, as hot or warm milk is less likely to yield enough froth needed for the cappuccino. Your mug should be big enough to hold froth, thrice the size of the poured milk. Now place the mug to the steam nozzle in such a way that the frothing device is half immersed in the milk. Now turn the control knob to steam position. In doing so, the indicator light will glow and the steam will come out shortly thereafter. Which will start frothing the milk. We should turn the function knob to pause once we have developed enough froth for the coffee and remove the mug. Now we will mix the coffee into the froth. Here we have our cappuccino coffee ready. Add sugar and cocoa powder as per taste. Now turn the function knob to off position. Make sure to open the tank cover only when the leftover steam has escaped through the nozzle. You can see the steam being let out here. And like I said, you have to ensure that once the steam is let out, only then we can remove the tank cover. Coffee maker is designed in such a way to make it very easy to clean as well. And the detachable steam nozzle can easily be dismantled for cleaning after its usage. For more information, you can check the user manual for Sunflame Espresso Coffee Maker. Sunflame's dealers and its service centers are spread all across India, which means that you get hassle-free service support. Sunflame ensures not only good service but also 100% satisfaction to all our patrons. Thank you.